What's up, guys? Ken coming at you from Ken.com. 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true Phoenix. Rodan. Working on the exhaust system. Today is December 1st, Sunday. You probably, if you saw the other video, you saw where I just made a mess of a previous weld, but I'm gonna have to cut this because this is too long, so I'm gonna have to cut this off here and bring this down here. Well, as you see, my welds are ugly as I don't know what, and this is not for you, Mr. Welder, or Miss Welder. This is for the DIY welder who really don't weld and don't plan on welding anytime soon for a living. This is for us DIYers, and I want to show you that slag, that how I got rid of my slag that is in between my, I don't think you can see that. That's in between my, I don't think you can see that. Anyway, trust me, there's slag in between there. Let me see, let me take the phone out. I'm trying to fix this so I can just go on about my business up there. Show you what the problem is. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. See all that slag in there? Carbon. Well, I'm going to get it out, or try to get it out, by using a drill bit. I had started getting that stuff out by using a nail and a screwdriver, and I'm like, there's got to be an easy way for me to do this. I didn't look online to see if there's anyone that was already doing it, but the purpose I'm doing this is I'm going to get all that slag out, and then I'm going to put some more metal in there, so I don't have to do it all over again. That's the purpose. And I want to show you how I did it. I mean, not how I did it, but this is how I did it. How about that? I want to show you this is how I did it. And, you know, don't be discouraged if it didn't work out for you. Yeah, don't be discouraged. So, I'm going to, I don't know how to mute the microphone. I guess I could mute the mic. I don't really know how to do it. But watch out for your ears there. It's not going to be really loud, but I'm just going to put my protective lenses on. These here, these are really good. My sweetheart gave me these. These are good for if you have astigmatism and you don't like these shop lights. These work very well, and in addition to that, they protect your eyes. Link in the description below. Not really. I always say link in the description below, but I never do. I just don't have time. I don't have time to go back and re-edit my videos and all that other stuff. Well, I guess if you don't take the time, you don't get paid. Huh? Anyway, you people who are out there who are affiliates know what I'm talking about. All right, I hope I can get this without. I'm just gonna do a few of these. Oh yeah, I forgot. I use these too. These are sort of like my magnifying glasses, so I can look up in there. In fact, I think I'll use these instead. All right, here we go. On my head in a way. If you were a good welder, you wouldn't have to worry about this. No, I am not poking holes in the pipe. I knew on that small dremel. I used to have a dremel, I sold it. Yeah, I believe you can mess around with cars, you really need one. Anyway, guys, let me go ahead on and finish this up, and I'll get back at you later.